Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook orange peels, turning them into delightful candied treats. You'll want about 4 medium oranges for a good batch. They can be any variety, but Navel or Valencia often work best for their peel thickness and flavor profile. This simple process not only reduces food waste, but also creates a wonderfully aromatic and flavorful ingredient for your baking or snacking pleasure. Let's dive into preparation and transform these overlooked peels. After washing your oranges, use a sharp paring knife to carefully score the peel from top to bottom, dividing it into 4 to 6 equal sections. Gently remove these sections, ensuring you get as little of the white pith as possible, though a little is fine. Now, take your peel sections and slice them into thin strips, roughly 1/4 inch wide and 1-2 inches long. Consistency and size helps them cook evenly for the best results. To begin removing the bitterness, place all your prepared orange peel strips into a medium saucepan. Cover them completely with fresh, cold water. Bring this to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let them cook for about 15 minutes. After simmering, drain the peels well in a colander and rinse them under cold, running water. This crucial step helps draw out those strong, bitter compounds. Now it's time to candy them. In the same saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of fresh water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar has fully dissolved and you have a clear syrup. Add your blanched and rinsed orange peels directly into this simmering syrup. Reduce the heat to low and let them gently simmer for approximately 45 to 60 minutes until the peels become wonderfully translucent and tender. Once the orange peels are beautifully translucent, carefully remove them from the hot syrup using tongs or a slotted spoon. Arrange them in a single layer on a wire rack, placed over a sheet of parchment paper to catch any drips. Allow them to dry at room temperature for several hours or even overnight until they are no longer sticky. For a final flourish, you can toss them in some granulated sugar. Store your finished, candied orange peels in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.